Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is from Faizan Qureshi. Faizan Qureshi, commerce student, Mumbai. In Islamic point of view, is plague haram or halal to eat? Also, Prophet did dua against the locust. Is it haram or halal to eat locust? Sorry. In Islamic point of view, is it haram or halal to eat locust? And also, Prophet did dua against locust. Locust is an insect. It belongs to the grasshopper family. One type of grasshopper family is the locust. And as I gave in the first or my second answer, I've discussed about the locust mentioned in the Quran. Is it allowed? There is no hadith that I see that says that locust is prohibited. And as far as my knowledge goes, that yes, you can eat locusts. And in some of the communities across the world, it's a delicacy. Locust is a delicacy.